Good evening to those who listen. It is January 12th, 2019, 8:34 p.m. I'm on my phone, and I'm pointing at my laptop computer. And I was going through some still shots that I took from November 19th of last year, 2018. And I saw something that was very strange. Now, I have to play this for, I don't, some people might have this in their thing where when you take a photo, it'll show like a second of it. And I want you to watch this bird over here. I'm going to go back to the last photo and then come back to this photo. And it moves. Hold on. What? There. Do you see it? It looks like the bird flies into its shadow. There's something to the right of it. Do you see it? It makes me think that that bird is a projection. What in the world? All right. I'm going to get in on it more. Do you see that? How is this happening? I don't know what to make of that. But I was trying to, in this one, this set of photos, there's lots of triangles, and I'll show you that too. And so look forward to that. There's a day in review, November 19, 2018. Day in review is coming up. I'm going to probably title it something like, there's an object by the sun. And I'm not talking about this bird. There's another object too. I'll show you that. But you'll see. So stay tuned for that coming up. But what in the world is this? Doesn't make any sense to me. Do you see it? It's like a shadow. It's like it flies into its shadow. It's insane. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. God bless.